Hey! Hey! Dad!
Who are you?
That's how it went.
Right now I'm working on a little bit of everything. I've been putting in bearings, working on the chassis, things like that.
Okay, so this week we've been doing a lot of work with our slop chassis, which is like a prototype chassis type of thing almost. We've made a lot of mistakes, drilled wrong holes, put things on in the wrong order, but we've been making a checklist so when we get to the final chassis we don't make those mistakes, everything goes smoothly, it's an efficient build and everything works well.
So right now we're making the gear mechanism, and in there right now we're shop botting out the back plates so we can assemble everything together. Hopefully have that done by the end of the week.
Alright, so we use the ShopBot, which is our CNC router, to cut through our 1/8 inch metal to create our shooter. These are the side plates of the shooter that will mount to the inside of the chassis. It's going to get mounted on our practice chassis, and this took about 2 hours to cut out.
Oh, well,
I'll take this one.
Okay.
So, anyways, I think we've been doing pretty well with the controls board. I can kind of see that a lot of the components are going together. So, also I've been working on the parts list for getting the intake going on pretty well. So I think this is primarily the CAD is just going together pretty well. So we always want to.
From a programming aspect, we've done a lot of stuff with Vision, which is something we haven't done in the past. We got pretty far with that, and rotating to angles with the mechanism drive. Shooter code is pretty good right now, and we're just kind of fine tuning everything a little bit, getting it ready for the actual robot.
So finish that gear mechanism, and then hopefully as a team we can finish assembling the chassis and have our first edition of the robot completed.
Just get the chassis all put together and then get the hopper kind of all finished.
I hope that we can get as far as possible on the chassis, hope to get the majority of it built.
One challenge was the hopper, and we went through a lot of different designs and prototypes for the hopper, and it just feels really good to find the final one right now.
We faced a lot of design issues with the constraints this year, so that's been really difficult, and where to put the controls board and everything, but I think we're doing a good job figuring that out, and hopefully we should be okay.
The bearings right now are being a pain, but other than that we're going pretty smoothly.
Alright, Andy, he's been doing a lot of work on the ShopBot, designed the climber, looks like it should be pretty good.
Shout out to Mr. Drake.
Yeah, Mr. Drake's cool.
Kanowski.
Mr. Kanowski's cool. Everyone's cool.
Everyone's cool.
Everything's great.
Brett has done a good job as a leader to teach everyone and help guide them in the right way.
I think Nick deserves a lot of recognition because he's been helping around with all the prototypes, hoppers, ball shooter, and yeah.
I definitely think that would be Nick because he's been helping out with everyone. If anybody has a question, he's always there to answer it, and he's juggling a lot of things all at once.
I think right now it's just our prototype for the hopper because all the balls are coming out really smoothly. I think it's 10 balls every 3 seconds.
I think that the greatest accomplishment I've had so far is helping with the CAD. I feel like I put a big portion of my work into the CAD, and I'm proud of that.
Learning a lot. I've been learning a lot about the CAD program itself, the CAD software, and assembling prototypes, testing out designs.
McDonald's cheeseburgers? No, the McChassis.
McChassis? Solid.
Actually, I really like that. I really like that.
What's that? What's that, Zach?
I think Zach's pretty set on Starboy. I liked Dren's name. McChassis, was it? Yeah, that was cool. I like that.
What's your rap name?
I go by Rusty Red in the Hood.
Represent.
Flamboyancy.
Ooh, I can't wait to hear that.
You know, I go by brown sugar. Chef Shankar.
Chef Shankar.
Yeah.
You see that protein?
I mean, it's my brother, but yeah, you know, I mean, like, if I continue the legacy.
So the first mixtape he dropped on SoundCloud was Shawshank Redemption, and I was actually featured on it.
Damn.
That was before I was Flamboyancy.
Here's some of your mixtape.
It sounds really familiar to some of our fellow rap artists.
Yeah, I agree.
But
It's original.
it's original.
It's 100%
Alright,
original.
let's hear it.
Chillin' with the flock, ugly sweaters round the clock. Got them comfy winter socks, kicking off at 12 o'clock. Smashing pumpkins, cause Trump wins. Peace out my boy Barack. Jeanette from the nosebleeds, the ghost lost this lock. Blowing 3-1 leads. Boy, oh please. Got them indies on their knees. Madden starts his dynasty. Turkeys in the oven with a little bit of peas. Stuffing rappers, second quarterbacks. I do that with ease.
Ooh.